Make a pro YouTube intro in 2 minutes. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pro YouTube intro in just 2 minutes, completely free, and you don't need any editing experience at all. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any key steps. All right, the tool we're using is Canva. It's super beginner friendly and works right in your browser or mobile app. First, open Canva. Search for YouTube intro. You'll see tons of ready-made animated templates you can customize. Pick a template that fits your vibe, whether you're doing tech, lifestyle, gaming, or anything else. Once you've selected one, just click it to start editing. Now you'll see a full preview of the animated intro. You can change the text to your channel name, update the fonts, adjust the colors to match your brand, and even swap out the background music. If you want to add your logo, just upload it by dragging it into the canvas, then resize and place it where it looks best. Now here's the cool part. Click on Animate to tweak how the elements move. You can give your text a bold pop or make your logo spin in. Once you're happy with it, click on the Share button in the top right. Then hit Download and choose the MP4 format so it works for YouTube. And boom! You've got a professional YouTube intro ready to go in 2 minutes. Drop that into the beginning of your videos and you're instantly more polished and branded. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick creator tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.